Next is from the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, which is a community organization of nonviolence, peaceful Muslim individuals and church, is Imam Mubashir Ahmed.
Good morning. Peace be upon you all. Today we have gathered together to celebrate the power of love. Power of love that is always victorious over our feelings of fear and hurt, grief and distrust. When we lose our material possessions, our natural resources, plants and wildlife, and at times our fellow humans, neighbors, our friends and beloved relatives in a disaster, it is love that brings us closer together, and it is love that keeps us strong. As men and women of faith, coming from diverse cultures and ethnic groups, and having different religious beliefs and customs, love gives us deep strength and high hope to assist each other with compassion and mercy. We turn inwards and receive the inspiration to pour out our hearts with full sympathy and extend our helping hand to reduce the throbbing pain and to remove the overwhelming dread that a disaster may bring upon us. After all, we are all humans. Love is the healing balm on our bleeding wounds, and we have every reason to celebrate it. So may our hearts remain united in compassion and mercy, and may love rule forevermore. Amen.
Thank you. Next is Myrla Raymundo, and Myrla is representing St. Anne Catholic Parish. She's also the head of the Union City Historical Museum, if you have been there. And if not, please go down on Smith Street in near Union City Boulevard. Myrla?
Good morning. God our Father, as we gather here today on these Asian American festivities, we ask that you help us and all the peoples in the world to have peace and happiness. God our Father, also look kindly on the people of the world, especially the people in Japan in distress. May they come nearer to your presence to seek true refuge in this time of their calamity. May they continue to trust, to love, and hope, giving each other comfort and encouragement. May generous people come to the aid of those who are most in need, those who lost loved ones and their homes. Let your spirit strengthen to face all the hardships and difficulties of the present and of the days ahead. We remember the counsel of Jesus, your Son. Let not your hearts be troubled. Have faith in God and faith in me. Help them to turn to you always, for you know all their needs, and you always provide for them. Amen.
Next up is John Shea, and John will do a welcoming message.
We have the board member work a long hour and year after year to work together. Now I will take this opportunity to introduce them. John, on behalf of the Japanese community, and he also on behalf of the Church of Istanbul.
Good morning, or good afternoon. I guess it's a little bit afternoon now. On behalf of the Southern Alameda County Buddhist Church, I'd like to welcome everybody here to the Asian American Heritage Festival. Hope everybody has a really good time. There's going to be lots of entertainment, music, dancing. So I hope everybody has a good time. So thank you very much for coming.
Next one, I will introduce the Filipinos community representative, Pat.
Good afternoon. On behalf of the 18 million Filipinos in Union City, oh no, 18,000 Filipinos in Union City, I welcome you to the 18th Asian American Annual Festival. We have a lot of entertainment. The Filipino dances will start, performance will start at 1:55. Also, as a council member of Union City, I'd like to take this opportunity. I know the mayor might be introducing these important people in Union City, but I'm going to do it right now. City Manager Larry Cheese. Larry, please stand up. And also, I'm doing this because the festival is being held in Union City, and we have to acknowledge these people who are leaders of the city. Another one is Deputy City Manager Tony Acosta. And his lovely wife, Helen Kennedy. Helen, third one is Police Chief Greg Stewart. Greg, I didn't do it. Okay. And thank you very much.
Next, we'd like to have a Thai representative, Guio.
Okay, in addition to some of the city people that we have here today, we have some other individuals that I would like to introduce and call up. Yes, I represent the Thai community. Oh, sorry. We had a confusion there. Excuse me, back to John.
Sometimes people put on two hats, forget which one is who. And actually, Lee is a representative of the Thai community. We always call him the white Thai because he married Thai's beautiful lady, Dang. So every time he on behalf of the Thai community. Next one, I would like to have a representative from Taiwan's community, Ferdi Chen.
On behalf of Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce, San Francisco Bay Area, I'd like to welcome everybody that comes to this festival. I hope through this participation in this program, that we'll be able to understand more and appreciate more about the heritage and the culture that we bring to this country. And also, we hope through this program that we can unite together and to cooperate with each other so that we can contribute better to our society, to our community, and to our country. Thank you.